Welcome to Grow Organic Plants. Welcome to my channel. Right now I want to show you some flowers here called the Bed of Paradise. They are beautiful flowers, and right now I'm going to show you they're all here. Can you see that? This is so beautiful. Bed of Paradise. They look like they have this beak and they have the wings that are trying to fly. So these are very beautiful flowers I want to show you right here. So let me go through and you see other. Okay, bed. These are Bed of Paradise. So beautiful. A guy was telling me yesterday, he said this one looks like it just opened up. Oh my God. This one is so fresh. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. These are more Bed of Paradise. Oh my God, these are beautiful. More Bed of Paradise. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Back to go like this.
Okay, so I can do it from the left hand side. Yeah, that's better. Oh my God, San Diego is beautiful. Look at that sheep.